Have you ever dreamed of having an AI assistant that can automatically recognize and intelligently enhance your videos? Now, the dream has come true. The Autopilot feature in UniFab 3.0.0.8 takes video enhancement technology to an entirely new level. With just one click, you can embark on a journey of intelligent optimization. UniFab's AI technology precisely selects the most suitable enhancement tools, such as upscaler, HDR, upconverter, denoiser, and other advanced features. From intelligent recognition to efficient enhancement, UniFab Autopilot achieves full automation, bringing an unprecedented transformation to your videos. Open the software and select the Autopilot feature. In the center of the software, it introduces the supported video formats for import. Once you import a video, the software will automatically analyze it and select the appropriate enhancement features. On the right side of the software, you can choose the enhancement features you want to add from the drop-down menu. Okay, next, on the left side of the software, you can modify the parameters in the process. Select the parameter settings you need. Here, we choose to output the video in 4K using the universal model, in MP4 format with the H.264 codec. Finally, select the output folder and click Start. The software will enhance the video according to the selected workflow sequence. The enhanced video is rich in detail and the clarity is amazing. UniFab uses cutting-edge GPU processors to bring you an unprecedented clear experience for your videos. What do you think of UniFab's Autopilot function? If you like our video, please like and subscribe. We are very much looking forward to hearing your experience after using this software. Welcome to share in the comment area. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.